Your molecule is unique. Your CMC analytical strategy needs to be too. Welcome to BioAgilytix, where CMC analytical testing meets scientific excellence. With $20 million invested in cutting-edge CMC analytical capabilities, BioAgilytix has added high-tech platforms and deep scientific expertise in the USA and Europe, so we can deliver comprehensive, customizable solutions in scalable, environmentally controlled GMP laboratories. We provide a full range of services across all modalities, with analytical control strategies built around your exact needs. Our bioassay and cell-based potency experts assess critical quality attributes essential for developing robust assays to ensure your therapeutic meets stringent regulatory standards. For drug characterization, we use advanced platforms to uncover the detailed nuances of your molecules, such as higher order structure, degradation, glycoform analysis, and other critical characterization assays. We also analyze host cell proteins, charge variants, and residuals across diverse modalities. Our QC release and stability testing services ensure your products meet the highest standards for purity, potency, and stability. Our unified team develops and validates methods and seamlessly transitions through the development and commercialization cycle. Across all of our global facilities, you get effective solutions that are designed around your scientific and regulatory goals. Our experts ensure the safety, quality, and efficacy of your therapies at every stage, from IND enabling to commercial release. Let BioAgilytix guide your molecule through the complexity ahead.